In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do the About You in Skool step by step. We'll go through 5 simple steps covering your bio, your profile photo, your links, your interest, and how to make your profile stand out so people actually want to connect with you. So before we dive right in, if you haven't created your Skool account yet, I've got a link in the description below. It's the same platform I'm using right now, and it will take you through straight to the sign up page. So go ahead and grab that so you can follow along with me. Alright, so once you have set up and logged in your account, you actually want to navigate through the top corner of your screen, and then you want to click on your profile icon. In here, simply click profile, and this is what your account will look like if you have a newly created account. So you actually want to navigate through the button called edit profile, and basically this is the most important part of your profile, is that your bio is the first thing people read when they click on your name. So you want to go ahead and answer 3 things: who are you, what you do, and who you help. You want to just keep it short, keep it clear. Something like, I help online entrepreneurs build and grow communities using Skool. Join me as I document the journey. And that's it. Basically a simple, direct, and instantly tells people if you're relevant to them. With that said, I have prepared multiple bio examples. For example, with this one, we have, I help online entrepreneurs grow with AI, automation, and smart system. Join me as I share what works. And I have a second one. Basically, it's for coaches. I help coaches and creators scale with AI and automation. Follow my journey as I build and share proven strategies. And with the next one that I've prepared, it's going to be for online entrepreneurs automate and grow their businesses. I help online entrepreneurs automate and grow their business with AI. Join me as I document the journey. So you want to go ahead and use the following examples that I have mentioned to make sure that people can see and know exactly what you do and what you are off the get-go. Next up, your profile photo. So it's going to be this button right here. Click change profile photo. And simply from there, you then have the ability to choose a profile from your device. Now, with this one, you want to upload a clear, well-lit photo of your face. Basically, no logos, no blurry images, no group photos. Skool is a community platform and people want to see a real person. A simple headshot with a clean background works perfectly, like my profile photo right here. Now, if you scroll down a little, you'll see fields for your location and your tagline. Basically, your location is optional, but adding it builds trust, especially on those niche and local communities. And your tagline is like your mini headline. Think of it as a one-liner that supports your bio, for example, community builder and such. And simply for next, this is where most people skip this part. It's going to be the social links. Now with this one, basically people can go ahead and easily access your profiles by only clicking or just clicking a button on the profile itself. So they will have easy access through your Instagram, your websites, YouTube, and etc. So for example, for website, I'm just going to paste my own Skool profile. And if you click on the update profile option, navigate back to the profile menu. And as you can see on our profile, we have basically enabled the buttons in order for people to just click on this icons right here and they will go through straight onto our social links. So it's also really important to go ahead and leave your link, because once again people will have easy access through your socials on Skool. Once again, this is a huge credibility. Basically, when someone visits our profile and sees that you have an active presence elsewhere, it instantly builds trust. Basically, you want to add the link that are most relevant to your niche. As a quick reminder, if you're not on Skool yet, the link is going to be on the description below. It will take you straight through the sign up page so you can set it all up for yourself. And from there, some Skool profiles have an extended bio or what I'm doing or working on field depending on your community setup. So if you have this, you want to go ahead and use it. This is where you get personal. You can tell people what project you're building as of the moment, what goals you're chasing, or what you're learning. People connect with progress, not perfection. So something like currently building my first Skool community and documenting every step, that kind of authenticity gets people engaged. And simply once you have filled everything on this section, you just want to click the update profile button and you should be good to go. Another thing that you could do is to simply navigate through accounts, and from there you then want to set the proper date and region for the created account right here. From there you then want to simply view your profile the way that others see it. Click on your own name, your profile icon to get the public view. Look at it critically, basically, thus your photo look clear, thus your bio makes sense in 5 seconds right here, and basically thus your links work. Just pretend you're a stranger visiting this page for the first time. Would you want to connect with this person or not? If you have mentally answered no, then there's more improvements to make. And here's something most people don't think about. Your About You profile doesn't just live on your main profile page. Basically, it shows up inside every Skool community you're a member of. So if you're in 3 communities, every single member of those communities can click your name and see this profile that we just made. This means that our bio needs to work for a broad audience, or at least it makes sense across different contexts right here. And basically that's it. What we have made on here About You in Skool is done. So let me just simply do a simple recap. You've got your bio, your photo, we have our tagline right here, your interest, your social links, and your extended statements all locked in. Your profile is now working 24/7, and every time someone clicks on your profile, they get a professional first impression. So you don't want to wait until your profile is perfect to start showing up in communities. You want to launch it now and refine it as you grow. And so guys, if you haven't set up your Skool account yet, now is the time. You want to use the link in the description to set up your About You in Skool and start building your presence today. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thanks for watching.